वेलकम टू गेड़ी मारो। स्वागत है जी आपका सिटी 1016 पे। दिस इज द पॉडकास्ट जहां पे इट्स ऑल अबाउट कार्स, इट्स ऑल अबाउट ऑटोमोबाइल्स। विद मी इज शिवम फ्रॉम द कॉर्निया इंप्रेशन। वेलकम।
Thank you. Welcome back to Gedi Maro, everybody.
Yep.
This is another day.
Yes, absolutely. Another
and
week.
We are here to talk about cars.
Absolutely जी, absolutely. And everything happening around cars.
Absolutely. तो क्या हो रहा है?
Okay, so in terms of news, जो आप लोग बात कर रहे थे, एक लड़का एंड वो पापा की गाड़ी चला रहा है, एक रेस के अंदर घुस जाता है, गाड़ी भी ठोक देता है और पीछे से उसके पापा जो हैं उसको देख रहे होते हैं. What is that news all about?
Sounds like my dad looking at me. No, but अगर हमने किया भी होता था तो हम तो यार मारुति 800 1000 में करते थे.
हाँ.
या ST में,
Yeah.
back in the सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ days.
Correct.
But this guy was driving a Ford GT, a limited edition supercar, which was based on the Le Mans car which won and all that stuff.
Correct. This was the centenary वाली ना?
Reincarnation of that.
2005 वाली.
हाँ.
Correct.
तो भाई साहब ने जाके ठोक दी while chasing a
Mazda Miata.
वो पता था कुत्ते खरगोश के पीछे भागते हैं ये वैसा situation. और उसका फादर पीछे कॉर्वेट में बैठा देख रहा था तमाशा पूरा.
I was just wondering, just having that scene पूरा का पूरा playing out in my head, and I was just wondering, जब वो बंदा Ford GT के अंदर हारा होगा, did the Mazda Miata come back and give a wink with the headlights? ले bro, ये देख.
मैं खाली सोच रहा हूँ उसका डैड का दिमाग में कौन से शब्द आ रहे होंगे.
Couple of things that we can't say on air,
Yes,
but yeah,
absolutely.
of course.
Well, I can make the noise beep 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 beep.
Right.
Anyways, so that happened.
Yeah.
And just absolutely ridiculous. If 18-year-old
Yeah.
car has no traction control, no safety systems,
Correct.
why? Don't do it. Don't do it.
I think the father learned his lesson.
Absolutely. I
Moral
hope he
of
was
the
insured.
story. Yeah.
Yeah.
अगर आपकी गाड़ी है तो फिर आप ही चलाएं. बेटे को ना दे, उसके लिए दूसरी गाड़ी ले ले.
नहीं, बेटे को दे पर उसको बोले भाई रेस नहीं किया करते.
कोई नहीं सुनता,
हाँ.
कोई बेटा नहीं सुनता. केस इन पॉइंट. ये अभी जो शुरू कर रहा था.
But talking about fathers,
हाँ.
why go all the way to the US? हमारे घर पे आ जाते हैं हम. This father bought a custom pink color Rolls Royce Cullinan for his daughter.
I heard that. I saw that video and I was just like, पापा, मेरे पापा क्यों नहीं हो आप?
I'm sure you can find somebody.
Yes. No sugar daddy, but daddy is with sugar भी चलेगा. I don't have a problem.
But that is, the car looked good,
Yeah.
but the gesture was beyond me.
I think he bought the car for himself. वो बेटी के चक्कर के अंदर में सिर्फ उसने बोल दिया कि हाँ ठीक है ये बेटी के लिए. It's kind of like how we go and we say ना कि हमारे बच्चों को PS5 चाहिए.
हाँ, अच्छा हमें
But
चाहिए.
वो
हाँ,
actually
हाँ,
के अंदर हमारे लिए होता है.
हाँ, exactly. हाँ.
It's kind of like that.
Yeah, I get that. But why pink color then?
कुछ तो अभी दिखाना पड़ेगा ना उसको कि हाँ बेटी के लिए है तो इसलिए पिंक कलर ले लूंगा एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. तू भी आज पिंक पहन के आया हुआ है. ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है.
Yeah, I like pink.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
Not on my cars.
But everybody has their own thing, no? I'm just saying कि हो सकता है. That could be the case. But
Agreed.
ठीक है, पापा स्पॉन्सर कर दो.
सेट को चाहिए गाड़ी.
हाँ मेरे को गाड़ी चलेगी या स्पॉन्सरशिप दे दो इस शो की. No problems.
I'm sure you know about the LFA.
Yes, of course.
The Lexus LFA.
The Lexus LFA.
The Yamaha V10 in that.
Yes, of course.
They spotted its replacement the other day in California, driving around. It's called the LFR.
Nice.
I'm
I'm all
very-
ears.
I'm very interested to see how the actual product pans out in real life.
क्या ये भी लेक्सस को या टोयोटा की एकदम धज्जियां उड़ा देगा या नहीं उड़ा पाएगा? बैंक्रप्सी की कगार के ऊपर में उनको लेके जाएगा या नहीं लेके जाएगा?
वो तो नहीं होएगा because Toyota is in a very strong place these days.
वो तो पहले भी थी यार.
हाँ,
जब
but-
LFA आई थी तभी भी उनको यही लगता था वी आर वेरी स्ट्रांग. हम लोग सब कुछ कर देंगे.
But it took them 10 years to build the LFA.
करेक्ट.
अभी गाड़ी आज दिखी है, ऐसा नहीं कि 10 साल बाद निकाले ये लोग.
फिंगर्स क्रॉस ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए.
So I would like to see the car in the next year or so,
Yeah.
and it definitely is something that we need to look forward to, because if the LFA is a benchmark,
Yeah.
This has to beat that.
They're also saying that it might be a hybrid, is what they're saying. It
Possibly.
might have a twin turbo, it might have a V8.
वो
जब
तो-
तक सब कुछ नहीं आता है बाहर तब तक कुछ नहीं कह सकते.
वो तो ख्याली पुलाव है, जब निकलेगा सो निकलेगा. But did you see that video with Charles Leclerc and Lewis Hamilton driving around in the new Ferrari hypercar?
No.
Go watch it. It is too cool.
Okay.
Well, obviously they are complimenting the car and
हाँ,
praising the car.
they're doing whole PR गिरी.
हाँ, हाँ.
Right.
But the video is very cool.
Okay.
अगर आप लोग ने नहीं देखा, you all should go watch that video. It's very cool to watch.
Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Okay, so this is covering the news bits.
Right.
Formula 1 में क्या हो रहा है?
फॉर्मूला 1 के अंदर अभी सुनने में आ रहा है कि 2028 के अंदर थाईलैंड के अंदर यू माइट हैव द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला 1 रेस. बैंकॉक में दे आर मेकिंग अ ट्रैक.
पटाया के अंदर?
नहीं, बैंकॉक के अंदर बिकॉज दे वांट पीपल टू अटेंड द रेस,
Not go to Pattaya?
नॉट गो टू पटाया. रेस के आगे पीछे आपको जो करना है पटाओ, लेकिन उससे पहले
पटाओ?
हाँ, पटाया से पटाओ.
सैड जोक नहीं मारा करते ऑन शो पे, नहीं मारा करते सिटी.
So they are saying कि 2028 के अंदर Bangkok might have their first Formula 1 race.
I'm assuming it's a street circuit.
They are looking at that possibility.
Correct.
Yes.
Because I think-
इतनी जल्दी तो बनने नहीं वाला है पूरा का पूरा सर्किट.
So why does a country or a city or a host venue build a street circuit?
To cut on costs as well as the time frame which is needed. क्योंकि street circuit already is half made. Roads के ऊपर ही आप चला रहे हो, right?
Correct.
And if they have to make a proper circuit, तो it takes a long time. 7-8 साल तो minimum to minimum आपको लग जाते हैं. And then you have to build the infrastructure around
Correct.
it, right?
Exactly. It's the biggest cost saving method.
Huge.
And also that the infrastructure that lies waste or not used for the rest of the time
Correct.
period. Street circuits make a lot of sense in terms of utilizing time, speed, efficiency, and also wastage as well.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
definitely street circuit is the way to go in my opinion.
It's smart, I would say. Interesting, smart. So let's see क्या रहता है, क्या नहीं रहता है.
This is a cool idea. Now it just came to me since we are having this conversation. Street circuit होता है,
हाँ,
फिर वो रेस के लिए होता है, वो बंद हो जाता है.
correct.
Correct? अगले साल वापस आता है.
हाँ,
6-8 महीने में, हर 2-3 महीने में 3-4 दिन उसको बंद कर देना चाहिए और पब्लिक को अलाउड होना चाहिए आके ड्राइव करने के लिए.
on track.
On track, on the track.
streets.
On the street, in a closed way, or
हाँ.
some part of it.
Okay.
थोड़ा पब्लिक को भी मजा आए. You know, they are paying for all of this stuff. The taxes are paying for all this drama.
हाँ.
Might as well enjoy a fine-free experience of driving your car on that track. You can charge money from it as well, and you can make money as it as an event. It would make so much sense. Why don't we do it somewhere?
Because I think they are making more money collecting fines.
यार
Speeding fines के अंदर में ज़्यादा वो पैसा कमा रहे हैं ना.
2 दिन दे दो यार. 2 दिन पब्लिक को एंजॉय करने दो.
नहीं तो आप अबू धाबी आ जाओ यास मदीना सर्किट के अंदर.
वो तो है हमारे
आपको
पास में.
जितना मर्जी चलाना है आप चलाओ बिंदास तरीके से.
तो ऑटोड्रोम भी है हमारा.
Exactly.
हाँ.
So you can do either or.
हाँ. But anyways, just a good, cool thought process to have.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? We should
Why
experiment the feasibility of
Yeah,
it.
and you could have days and nights depending on which time of the year it is.
You all owe us commission,
Yeah. Royalty.
royalty. हम चेक, sorry, invoice भेज देंगे. Check भेज देना.
Next season, it's the Cadillac boys who are coming into Formula 1.
Yes.
And rumors, like we discussed last time also, Valtteri
हाँ.
Bottas का हो सकता है कि
Checo
वो
था
आ
last
रहा
week.
है कि नहीं आ रहा है. Checo is there, who could be a replacement or who could be one of the contenders for
Correct.
it. तो Bottas भाई साहब ने he's just put out एक ऐसी random video.
I saw that.
And I thought it was brilliant. वो जितना fun आदमी है ना, I haven't seen another guy who's so chill in life.
नहीं, there is. Raikkonen. Kimi Raikkonen.
हाँ, but not on the grid, right?
Not on the grid. That video that he did with Cadillac, you saw that, right? He's touching the seats and everything.
He's somebody showing him that's a Cadillac.
Yeah.
It's got a seat.
Yeah.
Would you want to try it?
Yeah.
And he's like, not right now.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
just brilliant. Played out so very well.
But it's a nice seat. It's a very nice seat.
Very cool video.
Did you see the other video as well?
Which one?
As a third driver in Formula 1, I am very busy.
I saw
खाली
that.
खड़े के कॉफी पी रहा है सब जगह.
I saw that.
So the guy, जो भी उसकी social media team है, is on point.
Bang on. On point.
On point. So, but Formula 1 is obviously exciting right now. Formula 1 की बात करते हुए, what are we racing today?
Austrian Grand Prix.
This weekend, right now.
As we speak.
As we speak. Okay, interesting. I always want to go to the Red Bull hangar, which is over there. You know that, right? उनके पास में Salzburg में they have this whole Red Bull hangar, which has planes and cars and I want to go see that, man. That is a bucket list item.
It is beautiful.
Did they have any air shows when you went?
No. I went in the winter time, so half of it was already shut.
अरे यार.
But
नहीं, मुझे जाना है.
Just beautiful. Worth visiting.
वो जाना है मुझे, 100% जाना है.
Yeah. Okay, जी. So let's talk about the launches now.
हाँ, तो हमारे पास में busy week. We had a new brand which we had mentioned before as well, but now the showroom got officially launched.
मुबारक.
हाँ.
कौन सा वाला ये?
Brand is called Deepal.
Deepal.
Yes, we mentioned it a few months ago.
Yes. It sounds very Indian.
Yeah.
For some odd reason.
So it's the same company as Chang'an.
Huh.
And they launched a new car which is called SO5.
So this is their electric, I think, electric arm or the electric side of Chang'an, is it?
Yes, correct. So, but the car is called a Reeve.
What is a Reeve?
It's a range extender electric vehicle.
Range extender का मतलब क्या हुआ?
तो उसके अंदर एक छोटा सा पेट्रोल इंजन है.
हैं?
Yes.
Okay.
So the car can. So this is an electric vehicle. First of all,
Okay.
you can charge the electric vehicle from the wall socket or from the AC DC
Normal
socket.
आपका जो
हाँ,
charging
हाँ.
points हैं दीवा वाले.
Correct. Exactly. Example, you're going somewhere and you want to charge your car or do not have access to electric charging point.
Okay.
Add petrol to this, and the petrol motor will charge your battery for you.
So the petrol motor is only to charge the battery, or it can run the car also?
Only to charge the battery. It's like a generator.
So it will only charge the battery and then you run EV के हिसाब से, and उसके बाद में. So what is the mileage that we're saying if it's a range extender?
So with the range extender, it will go up to 950 kilometers. So
with petrol and electricity.
Correct. So to give a clarification,
Okay. Yes.
when you're not using the petrol motor, you can get up to 600 kilometers of pure EV range.
Okay.
The petrol motor is only used to charge the car.
So, okay.
Correct. Now, this petrol motor is designed to run at its maximum efficiency.
हाँ.
मतलब उसका जो average है सबसे ज़्यादा है.
Correct.
Correct. And that is what repowers the battery, and then the car is moved with the battery power. Point being is you use the range extender only when you are out of battery and you cannot charge it from a regular wall point.
For maximum efficiency.
For maximum efficiency. मतलब अगर आप कहीं पे जा रहे हो जहाँ पर आपको चार्जिंग आप कहीं पे जा रहे हो और आपके पास चार्जिंग कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है, that's when you use the petrol motor to charge the car.
Otherwise you drive it on normal EV mode.
Exactly. You charge it from normal EV outlet.
Correct.
It's
and you drive it
on
also on the normal EV mode only.
You're always driving on normal EV mode. There's no other mode in the car.
That's also true.
हाँ.
That's also true. Correct. Wow. Okay.
हाँ, but you know, whenever I think of generator, मेरे को खाली बीजी की याद आती है. बीजी तो जनरेटर चालू कर दो. पंजाबी में कैसे बोलते हैं?
जनरेटर चालू कर दो.
हाँ, ऐसा exactly. वैसा ही situation है.
Pretty interesting. But you're saying the showroom is launched. Is the car also launched?
Yes.
What is the car model?
SO5.
That's the new one.
Yes. Guess the price.
हाँ.
90,000 दिरहम.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ.
इंजन सेपरेट दे रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं, साथ में दे रहे हैं.
एडेड एक्सेसरीज.
जनरेटर लगा हुआ है.
अच्छा. मेरे को लगा उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा आपको देना पड़ेगा.
But you have to. The interior color is epic. दो choice है.
Okay.
एक काला है.
हाँ.
दूसरा guess करो.
White.
No.
Then?
It's called papaya.
Is it actually papaya?
It's like the chair we are sitting on.
Really?
Little
They're
less
going the
orange.
McLaren way, is it?
little less orange, a bit more peachish, but it's like peachish orangish kind of shade.
ठीक है जी. I want to see. But यहाँ पे बिकेगा. To be honest, now I'm thinking तो यहाँ पे बिकेगा. हर
90K
टाइम बिकता है, हर कलर बिकता है यहाँ पे.
नहीं, इंटीरियर की बात छोड़ा, 90,000 यार नो ब्रेनर है यार.
Agreed.
नो ब्रेनर है.
For somebody who might think of EVs as a second-hand car or a second car, so to speak.
Second hand नहीं, second car.
A second hand or a second car.
हाँ.
Right. उसके लिए this one makes perfect sense because it has both.
Yeah.
Petrol as well as your range anxiety नहीं होगी EV के साथ.
Correct. So it's pretty cool.
Nice. And it's available now.
हाँ, जाके ले सकते हो.
It sounds like Deepak or पलविंदर का
मेरे को तो खाली दीपा याद आती है बस.
भाभी भाभी देख रहे हो आप?
अभी मैं उसके आगे कुछ बोलने वाला था पर नहीं बोल रहा मैं अभी.
नहीं तू बोल.
नहीं नहीं
मैं
ठीक
आपको
है.
भेज दूंगा, आप
हाँ.
टेंशन नहीं लो.
सेंसर कर दियो भाई प्लीज.
Okay. All right. So, did you hear about that malfunction of the cruise control जो हुआ था recently? And it happens a lot of times
In the summers.
in the summers.
Yes.
Sheikh Zayed Road पे there was this
Correct.
girl who was driving one of the cars, SUVs, and उनका जो था वो malfunction हो गया of the cruise control.
Right.
And Dubai police was there
Correct.
as always
To help.
to help
person.
them out.
And they have a system in place for this actually.
And very very intelligent system, I would say.
Literally, they have like a SOP to follow in this case.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So, do you care to explain that system to
I
everybody?
haven't. अरे it's a proper points के साथ में है. Hold
अच्छा,
that
ओहो.
thought. Just in case. अगर आपका cruise control malfunction होता है तो according to Dubai police, what you need to do? First point what they are saying is you need to remain calm. You do not need to panic.
कपाल
It's
भारती
okay.
नहीं, कपाल भारती नहीं, मेडिटेशन करो.
अबे नहीं,
कपाल भारती.
कुछ नहीं. वो भी ना आ रही हो समझ में तो और ज्यादा स्ट्रेस आ जाए.
सांस लीजिए, सांस लीजिए.
Yeah.
हाँ, हाँ.
The second one they're saying कि turn on your hazard lights and your headlights. Okay?
Okay.
Then the third one is call the emergency number 999. Okay? Everything will be fine and they will explain. And you also explain the situation. It's one of the सबसे ज़्यादा use किया गया number out here in the UAE and
What, 999?
one most responsive number ever. हादी ringtone के अंदर में वो उठाते हैं. Okay?
हाँ, that तो
Yeah.
correct.
You shift your transmission into N.
Okay.
From wherever you are. You turn off the engine and you restart the car
Okay.
again. Okay. Normally, itne ke andar it should be done.
Okay.
That's what they are saying. If it does not work, then continuous applying the brakes until the car comes to a stop.
Okay.
So you're basically in neutral only, and then
Right.
you're just applying brakes
Correct.
bar. Okay. If that does not happen, the vehicle does not stop. Gradually release the handbrake while tightening the grip and steering wheel to maintain control.
Okay.
Basically, they're basically just telling you कि all of this ध्यान से, आराम से, and without panic.
Okay.
Everything can be done. If the previous methods fail, shift the transmission between N and D, and then you can regain control again.
And if you're in the fast lane,
Yeah.
move to the slow lane.
Yes. Very, very important.
Very, very important.
Very, very important.
They also made another announcement the other day. They said that if you are not able to keep up driving in the fast lane, please move to the slow lanes, because driving slow in a fast lane also is a cause of accidents.
It is.
Yeah.
It's a big one.
करेक्ट. तो अगर आप लास्ट लेन में स्पीड लिमिट के कम चला रहे हो, प्लीज मूव ओवर एंड लेट द गाइज बिहाइंड गो. आपकी ईगो की बात नहीं है, आपकी ईगो को हर्ट नहीं होएगा ये. Just people need to get there and they are driving at a particular speed, let them go and please drive in your lane, maintain your speed limit as per the lane.
And a lot of people, if they just be, if they are in the second or the third lane, I've seen them being much more calmer.
Yes, correct.
They're much more in control also.
Yes, 100%.
So it's a good thing to be in the second or the third lane. Just FYI.
Chill and drive, bro. कहाँ भागना है आपको?
Enjoy your drive.
Yes,
That's what the
exactly.
car is for.
एंड समर महीना है, सब गए छुट्टी पे, आराम से चलाओ, ट्रैफिक नहीं है, स्कूल बंद है.
Okay, जी. Now let's talk about आज का अपना question.
Yes, very important. Very entertaining as well.
बता.
If you had to choose one car, if you had to choose one car from a car movie or one car character from a car movie, what would that be? टार्जन मत बोलियो. भरोसा नहीं बोलेगा टार्जन. अजय देवगन की आत्मा जाग जाएगी.
Okay. अगर वो नहीं बोलनी है तो फिर I would like to go with Eleanor. याद है
Oh,
तेरे को?
Gone in 60 Seconds. Yeah, what a movie, man.
What a movie.
What a movie.
What?
That,
Yeah.
that, you know, there's this phrase, ना, lives rent free in my head. वो पूरी पिक्चर तो रेंट फ्री रहती है मेरे सर में, बट there's one particular moment जब निकलिस केज goes back to the garage and he takes out that leather jacket to wear. What a scene, man. What a scene.
Yes.
What
sir.
a scene.
I would like to do that.
हाँ,
Yeah.
So you want to what? With a leather jacket or drive alone?
दोनों
दोनों. अच्छा.
दोनों
भाई
मैं greedy है
अच्छा
मैं
greedy
दोनों
है.
करेगा I'm sorry
हाँ.
मेरे को दोनों चाहिए
दोनों चाहिए. अच्छा.
What about you?
यार, for me it is the DMC DeLorean from Back to the Future. For me that is my
The first one?
it's the same car in all three, right?
Yeah, but they're all three different versions, no?
do you mean?
The basic one is the best one, the first one.
No, so I would like
उसके आगे फिर then
it
they
starts-
get all वो नीचे उड़ने लगती है, इधर होने लगती है, उधर होने लगती है.
I
and all
like
that.
the flying bit.
You देखा?
I like the flying bit. But no, but that
Yeah, I
movie-
agree. It's one of the most I would say beautiful looking cars.
हाँ.
Cybertruck ने उसको एकदम they've tried to copy it out, but nothing beats that
100%.
one.
100%.
Yeah.
पर जब मैं छोटा था, my parents took me to Universal Studios,
हाँ
Orlando में,
हाँ.
and there was a Back to the Future ride.
Hmm.
Well, I had seen the movie,
Correct.
so I knew what the ride was, and I loved every bit of it. बस imagine 30 years ago वो 4D में हवा आ रही है, गाड़ी ऊपर नीचे आ रही है, पानी आ रहा है, all of that stuff with the 3D and everything. Boss, that is what a memory.
Oh, nice. Good है.
So
जाने जी.
आप कौन से गाड़ी या कार कैरेक्टर से आप रिलेट करते हो? Let us know in the comments. We are looking forward to your answers.
Yeah. That's it for now. Have an amazing weekend. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and Abhi Gedi Maro.
City 1016.